Hey, let me tell you about Dr. Slaughter. Dr. Slaughter literally saved my my life and marriage. I can say that. Had sleep apnea for years, and I was the worst snorer in the world. You know, the kind that with the mouth wide open, kept the family, kept the wife awake at night, and it was a big problem. And as I said, with sleep apnea, it really started to affect my health. So I decided to go and see Dr. Slaughter. Best thing that I've done, did it a year ago, totally painless procedure. And let me tell you, when it comes to surgery, I'm a big wimp, especially when it comes to needles. Nothing like that. And thank goodness I have not snored. I have not used my CPAP machine in 1 year. Over 1 year, actually, thanks to Dr. Slaughter. It's been a better summer. It's been a better year, thanks to Dr. Slaughter. So you need to do it. You need to make that phone call. Take care of those health problems. Get rid of your sleep apnea. Get rid of your snoring. Dr. Slaughter. He really is the best. Take it from me, Bob Pickett.